Hello Christian and Chadi. I know na ito ang video na to ay para sa inyo and we would like to say na may the Lord bless you. Kami natutuwa at for 3 years ay patuloy ninyong sinundan ng Panginoon and we remember nung kayo ay unang dumating nung camp and so yun pala yun ang start ng relationship natin in the sense sa church and of course naging member pa kayo. And of course kay Chadi, dito siya tumanggap sa Panginoon and he was also baptized dito. And so now, kayo ay may new journey. It will be a new journey ng inyong buhay. And I would like to mention dito sa Joshua 1:9, ang sabi dito, "Have I not commanded you, be strong and courageous, do not be terrified, do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go." And so kung saan man kayo mapunta, I pray na ang Panginoon ang magpala sa inyo. I also remember yung Matthew chapter 5 verse 16, ang sabi dito, "Let your light shine before men that they may see your good deeds and praise your Father in heaven." And so I pray na saan man kayo pumunta, you will be a blessing and at the same time, ang Panginoon ay isa sa inyo. God bless you.
God bless you. Bye-bye.
God bless you. Matane. Bye.